There is another way how regions do participate in the war, and this way is connected with so-called system of patronage. It has been tried earlier in case of Crimea, when it has been annexed in 2014. It appeared that Moscow cannot deal with all problems, including tiny problems connected with, integration of this annexed region into Russian socioeconomic and political space. And that time it has been decided to find regions, Russian regions, which should be responsible, which should take care of integration of administrative districts of Crimea into Russia. So when the new annexation took place in 2022, the same scheme has been used, and almost all regions of Russia should take care now of administrative districts, municipalities, and towns of occupied regions of Ukraine. And once again, not only it makes life of the Kremlin easier, but it makes connection between the so-called new regions of Russia, Novorossiya, and proper Russian regions more direct and felt by Russian citizens.